Hi guys, welcome back to the Turbo Wax channel. Today I'm going to show you how to spray the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 ceramic coating into this 2020 E63 AMG Mercedes-Benz. The wheels are black matte and we're going to be spraying them with a spray gun mounted on the vehicle along with the calipers. So stay tuned. We're going to show you step by step how we accomplish that with the wheels mounted in the vehicle as per the request of the customer. So let's get ready and here we go. Alright, so we got everything covered, clean. So a quick sample of the application with the spray gun. Okay, so here's a view of the matte wheels, ceramic coated. We did them on the car, and we also did the calipers right there. It came out phenomenal. Okay guys, so we have completed the application on this 2020 E63 with the ceramic coating Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0, and we did the wheels and calipers. The calipers, they look beautiful, real red and rich. The wheels, they look matte. They didn't add any shine to them whatsoever. However, they have the Turbo Wax protection now with the ceramic coating on the faces and the bottles. So remember that you can use the Turbo Wax Wheel Cleaner Deluxe to clean the wheels and tires, and then we recommended that you use the prep oil, and that's a solution that you will use prior to putting the coating. It will take all the fingerprints and grease and everything, and you can use it on the wheels. You can spray that, or you can do it with the applicator or a brush, and we recommend the same product for the surface. So we're gonna link down below the products that we use today, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know how we're doing, comment, share, follow us in Instagram at Turbo Wax, of course, and until next time guys, thank you for watching.